Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have Smackin tomato soup, everybody. Homemade, only way to go. We have roasted vegetables here. We got our tomatoes, we got our onions, garlic, and garlic cloves, and we sprinkled it with some nice seasonings. Of course, it had to have flavor, and then olive oil, and then we roasted it to perfection for a good half hour, and then we went on and mashed it up really nicely and crushed everything together, and then we added it to our pot of diced tomatoes and crushed tomatoes, and we added in our roasted garlic cloves. You squeeze it, it comes right on out, pops on out with flavor. Then you go ahead and simmer it for another half an hour. You add basil and all of this good old stuff. Look at that. Look at how thick it is. We love it thick here. We can crush it up with a nice blender, but we decide we like to have flavor and thickness in our household. Now we have our grilled cheese sandwiches on top of that. Gotta go with Velveeta slices. Yes, we do. And cheddar cheese. And then look at that. Voila. Talking about a meal for nice and hearty to feed the family. We have a lot more recipes here on our YouTube channel. Go follow us. Subscribe. We'll see you guys soon. Have a nice day.